Welcome to AB Table Talk. The Gold Balls of Kindness, Treasure. In a small village plagued by water scarcity, a young boy dug a well to provide a reliable water source for his community. To his surprise, he found a chest filled with golden balls, and the well also began to provide fresh water. Excited, he rushed to show his grandfather. The grandfather, after examining the gold, suggested they use it to benefit the village. They sold the gold and decided to invest the money in improving their community. With the funds, they built sturdy homes to replace old, crumbling ones, set up a medical facility for better health care, and opened a school for the children. The well, now filled with clean water, became a vital resource for the village. Moral: helping others selflessly helps everyone grow together. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.